Looking for a fun and exciting way to turn your collage walls into the focal point of your room? Hi, I'm Troy from Woolly Collections, where we turn ordinary 2D collage walls into extraordinary 3D art. If you find any value in this video or like what you see, then subscribe to the channel below. Collage walls have always been a cool way to decorate your room, whether you are doing a personal clip out from your favorite magazine or you're even buying a kit from a supplier. I'm going to show you a way you can be more creative using the Aesthetic Wall Accessory Kit. Each pack comes with 15 1-inch foam with adhesives on both sides and a 1/2 inch foam. Most cards would come in a 200 or 250 gram cardstock, and what begins to happen even when you start using the foam is it starts getting this warp. But if you have cards, or if you have pictures that you want to do, magazines, you can actually pick these up at a dollar store, Dollarama. Foam boards, almost like Bristol board kind of thing. Another important thing you need, glue stick and a nice sharp X-Acto knife. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to make our first board. That's just a small example and sample, 2D into 3D with the foam blocks. So I'm going to actually get a little bit more creative, and I'm going to build a whole wall with all 20 of these plus 10 of mine, and even maybe some of the other ones. We'll see what we can do when we can fill up the wall. Okay, I can just keep going and going, but that's just again one small hack. In the next hack, I'm going to show you actually how you can make it a little bit more personal by using your own photos, and then we're going to talk about how you can actually add a side frame to that. So that's it. Fun craft, cool art.